The error code 25E in a Samsung refrigerator indicates a faulty defrosting system, occurring when the defrost cycle fails to melt the ice after 80 minutes. This issue can arise due to a defective heating element or temperature sensor, which facilitates frosting. As a result, the error causes the refrigerator to accumulate moisture and ice. The primary cause of this error is a faulty defrosting system. To resolve the issue, it is recommended to inspect the refrigerator by first unplugging it from its power supply. Then, check the defrost heater and evaporator fan motor for any damage, and verify that the defrost thermostat and defrost timer are in good condition. Additionally, inspect the wiring connection to ensure it is secure. After completing these steps, plug the refrigerator back in and check if the error has cleared. If the error persists, it is likely that the heating element, temperature sensor, or control board is faulty. In this case, it is advisable to contact a technician to diagnose and replace any damaged parts.